Let's talk about heavy-duty electric wheelchair, foldable, and lightweight powered wheelchair, seat width 45 cm, 360 joystick, weight capacity 100 kg. Easy to store lightweight storage folding electric wheelchair. It is very compact to fit in most small trunks, extremely convenient to put in the truck or airplane for travel, manual electric mode to switch at any time. Electric wheelchairs can push forward when there is low battery. Electric scooters are suitable for any road surface such as grass, sandstone, gentle slope. Double protection electronic intelligent brake system stops immediately after releasing the hand and does not slip, safe and reliable, easy to operate, lets you have one hand free for quick stopping, 360 joystick waterproof and anti-corrosion protection, anti-electromagnetic interference, with manual parking system, anti-flip wheel and stab resistant tire keeps you safe, stable and comfortable, with adjustable seat belt. Humanized design. The armrests on both sides can be lifted up and height adjustable, convenient for users to get on and off, eat, etc. Foldable backrest, detachable breathable cushion and back pad can be used in winter and summer, easy to clean. Tilt angle backrest and seat cushion design reduces back discomfort due to sedentary to hip. Durable and stylish rugged carbon steel frame, bearing weight 100 kg, wear resistant. 250-watt dual motor performance, smooth operation, low noise, fast heat dissipation, long-lasting battery life. First class after sales service. We supply the very best service on every deals. Please rest assured purchase. Please contact us immediately if there is any quality problem. We will reply you within 24 hours and provide a satisfactory solution.